Even in business, even in business, if you tell stories, you use empathy, you will get more business. Like recently I had an experience on Taobao, and I was amazed at their customer service. Like, wow, they are working exactly like IKEA, you know, when it comes to returning products or treating their customers with respect, right? So I had a shipment which was really tiny, small amount, but it didn't matter. But there was a problem with the shipment, and the supplier refused to replace it. So I just put in a complaint, and they immediately refunded the money back to me, and they explained to me what was happening in the process. But for me, the biggest thing was they are listening to the customer. When I had this experience, I was like, I don't want to buy from Taobao anymore. It's, you know, the suppliers are not reliable on that. But they changed that perception. So they gave me the credit, and at the same time, they explained to me that, look, this is because of COVID. This is a consolidation problem, and I'm just sorry that you were one who suffered. And yeah, we can't replace it, but we can actually give you back your money for the item that has been wrongly shipped to you. So when you listen, you can get business, continuous business. So empathy is very, very important in creating that. Okay. So how do you create empathy? You walk in other people's shoes, you express from the heart, not the head. Lead from the heart. That's very important. And of course, we have to examine our biases, right? Many of us, we have biases. So we have to challenge ourselves, get out of the comfort zone. Don't go by what everybody else is doing. The other thing is also get feedback. So these are some ways to cultivate empathy and of course, ask questions. So we're going to have an activity right now on questions. So now this is design thinking. I don't know whether you've ever gone through, anybody has gone through a workshop on design thinking.